Hey everyone, it's your girl Nurse Leash. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you guys already know, it's about the review on my Zeelool glasses, you guys. I'm super excited. I've been watching these glasses online for a hot minute. I decided to buy them. So I'm going to review them right now, right here. Let's go. And before I forget, if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for supporting me by clicking on this link. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, post notification bell, and the thumbs up. That way you guys notified every single time I post another hit video. The glasses that I got, they are non-prescription frame only glasses. They do have the option of getting them in your prescription or even in the blue lit, and they also have the option of having them like the anti-reflective or anti-glare on your lens, which is really good. But I have already a couple of blue lit glasses, and I actually do wear prescription glasses already, so I decided to try them out just to see how they will look. And if I like them, who knows, I might just get some more blue lit or even the next prescription glasses. But if you just want to know how the frame only glasses look, this is a video for you. This is how the packaging looks. I'm going to pull it out the box. It came just like this. And struggle time. Just took it off. There we go. So this is the box it came in. Really cute. I believe it's their like 5th anniversary. So the packaging is going to be superior. It's going to be stellar. It's going to be different, which is really nice. I like. And inside, ooh, this is cute. So it has a little letter in it. You guys could read it. Oh, you guys probably can't see, but it has like a little writing right here. And it also comes with stickers, which is really cool. Really cool stickers. And this is what the glasses look like in the little packages. So I did get about 4 pairs. So let's get right into reviewing them. So these first glasses, they're called the ISAEBELLA. They are blue, and I love the shape of them. To be honest with you guys, all my shapes of the glasses are cat eye, because I find cat eye is the one that fits my face shape the most. So let's try this one on. I already love the color, and this looks really good. I love it. I love the funk in the blue. Something I won't wear. Like, you guys know, if you guys don't know me outside of YouTube, I only wear black, clearly. But these glasses are a vibe. I like them. Wow. I'm so shocked because I didn't think they were going to look this good. And this is probably like one of the basic ones I got, and it looks this good. Okay, Zeelool. I see you. It's given like sophisticated nursing student. I know what I'm doing, but I can also have fun as well. And I like it. I really do. Nice. And this one is called the ISAEBELLA. I'm going to put the names of them on the screen. But I like these ones. Let me know what you guys think about these ones. Write down in the comments down below what you guys think. But I love this one. So this next pair that I have is called DORIXA. And it is in green. So this is it. Green, and it has like a clear blockage at the front, which I thought was really cool. Let me show you guys. So it's green, but it has a clear at the top. And I think it's really cool. And the arms are also clear and green as well. I chose green because I was actually at LensCrafters and I saw these nice green glasses and looked really good on me, but the price was not like in my price range. So I went on Zeelool, and these were only like 20 bucks. So I got a steal. But let's see how these look. Okay. This is different. I'm not mad at it. I like it a lot. It's definitely something that I don't have, which is what I wanted. I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think? I love the color. The green I find complements my skin so well. That's the reason why I chose it, and without fail, it looks really good. It's different. I like it. I can vibe with this one. This one look more studious. I look more serious. I like this one. And this one's called DORIXA in green. And I also like the shape of it. This one is giving me more of a square shape, not much of a butterfly or cat eye, which is something different, but it still matches my face. And because I have a broad face, these glasses are broad enough to fit the shape of my face, which I really, really like and appreciate. So thank you, Zeelool, for that. And these ones are called DORIXA. Let me know what you guys think about these ones. So this next glasses, I saw a lot of people wear them while they were advertising, and I absolutely loved it. I love this so much that I got a funky color because I want to go outside my box. And these ones are called the Lucas Cat Eye, and I got them in red. And this is how it looks. If you guys could see, it has like that diamond kind of pattern to it at the front. So not just plain flat, it has texture to it. And the arms are gold, which I love. It gives it a little bit more of a character, which is so cool. And I love the texture on this. I love it. So this is how it looks. Okay. This is how it looks on me. This one's definitely giving me more of a dramatic cat eye, which I love. It's different. The shape is not the same as the other ones. I love the dramaticness to it, and it's so subtle. Like, the red is not as popping as I thought it would be, which I like. It's not too much of a like, hey, look at me. It's more like, y'all know I'm here, I'm in the back, but y'all can still see me type of thing. And that's my vibe, okay? That's my vibe. So I do like these glasses. Let me guys know what you guys think. This one is called the Lucas Cat Eye. Again, the texture is what makes these glasses for me. And I'm so happy that they have the texture on it, because without texture, just be like a regular glasses. But the texture is giving this glasses a oomph. So I love it. Let me know what you guys think. So these are my last pair. Out of all the glasses I had, these ones I was most excited for. I don't know why. I just thought it looked really, really good. And I hope it looks good on me. And it's called the CHARLENE Tortoise. I got it in tortoise. And these ones, I just love them so much. And I hope they look good on me, but this is how they look. I don't know if it's the tortoise. I haven't worn tortoise since I was in elementary, first of all. Tortoise was my first type of glasses that I had. So we'll see how it looks. But I love the shape. I love the fact that it's half frame, wired frame and half plastic at the top. I love it. And let's see how it looks on. Woo! And this is it. What do you guys think about these? I love them. I don't know. I feel like I'm saying I love them to all of them, but this one is the one I really was super excited for. And honestly, is really good. It's really, really nice. I love them. I love, again, how it's half frame and half metal, sorry, and half frame. I love that. I love the shape of it. The cat eye, like I told you guys, they do the best for my face. It complements my face. And I look good. I'm sorry. Toot toot. Got to my own horn, guys. I feel like I look good. Let me know what you guys think about these ones in the comments down below. But I think out of all of them, these ones are my favorite, alongside with my first ones, ISAEBELLA. But this is a vibe. This is giving me, I'm studious, I'm busy, don't mess with me, only talk with me or talk to me if it's important. If it's not and it could wait, you wait. That's what this glasses is giving me right now. But I love it. Yeah. I'm happy. These glasses also have nose pads, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they are mad comfortable. Like, you can't feel them. The nose pads on them are really like lightweight, so you don't put that pressure on your nose. If you guys wear glasses, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's no pressure at all, you guys, so you don't have to worry about that. It fits comfortably and prevents your glasses from sliding down, and I love that. Yeah, this glasses is just like a mechanical type of old school, going back to the roots type of glasses for me, and I love them. And that is it for my glasses review, you guys. If you guys liked these glasses, make sure you guys click on the description box down below. Again, these glasses were super cheap. I don't think I paid more than $20 for a pair of glasses. And again, they have the option of getting the blue light, the subscription, or even just a plain. These ones, again, are just frames only. So they do come with lenses, okay? Just plastic lens. Again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Hopefully you guys found some alternatives to less expensive glasses. Again, these do hold prescription lens, okay? That is the best part of Zeelool. I like it. And also, when you are on their website, they do have an option of uploading a picture on the website, and then you can see how each glasses looks on your face. And I absolutely love that feature. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested, the links are down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.